बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्लास 11th केमिस्ट्री लेक्चर नंबर 2, जिसमें हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं बेटा बोहर्स मॉडल ऑफ एन एटम। मैं इस पे नोट्स प्रोवाइड करूँगी, फिर आप लोगों को ये क्लास में समझा दूँगी। सीधा मैं नोट्स लिखवाती जाऊँगी। इन ऑर्डर टू ओवरकम द limitations of Rutherford's model of an atom, Neil Bohr in 1913 proposed another model of an atom known as Bohr model of an atom. The important postulates are as: पहला वाला postulate, an atom consists of positively charged nucleus around which the electrons revolves with high speed through well defined circular paths called orbits. Each orbit is associated with a definite amount of energy and hence called energy level या मितना shell, energy level or shell. These are 1, 2, first shell, second shell, third shell, fourth shell, and so on. Yeah, or designated by K, L, M, N and so on. ठीक है। अब उसके बाद सेकंड पोस्टुलेट इसका, एन इलेक्ट्रॉन does not lose or gain energy with time as long as it remains in a particular orbits. Only those orbits are allowed in the atom in which angular momentum of the electron is equal to whole number multiple of h divided by 2 pi. ठीक है, NH divided by 2 pi, NH divided by 2 pi, where N equal to number of shell H is the Planck's constant. Planck's constant, C1H2NT constant. पाई का तो वैल्यू आता पता हो, ठीक है। ये हुआ हमारे पास यंग। और एक पोस्टुलेट थर्ड फोर्थ हमारे पास एन इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन लॉस, ये आप लोगों को मैं समझा दूंगी पूरा सारा, लॉस और गेन एनर्जी only when it jumps from one level to another. मतलब for example, when energy is supplied to an electron of an atom, it absorbs the energy and jumps into the higher energy level called excited state. Since the excited state is highly unstable, the electrons come back to its normal state by emitting the extra absorbed extra absorbed energy in the एक मिनट बेटा दिच्छी मैंने गुले मायन है एक मिनट बेटा excited हमने क्या लिखा, emitting the extra absorbed energy by emitting the extra absorbed energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation, which is equal to the energy difference between the two levels, that is delta E is equal to E2 minus E1. Delta E means energy difference between two levels. E2 is the higher energy level and E1 is the lower energy level. ठीक है. This means that the emission emission and absorption of energy of